Yo, 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 what's up? It's your boy, J-Do.
You don't know. What are we doing today?
I don't know. What are we doing today? Hiking?
Yeah.
Playing beer pong?
Yeah.
Maybe gonna see a waterfall?
Yeah. And with our friends, Philip, Marcus, and Francie.
Hello.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah, that's our day plans. And she did my hair. It's okay. Oh. Yeah. So we have a busy day today. We're just waiting around.
We're waiting.
Yeah.
What do we wait for? Kieran, show
Other
up.
friend, Kieran.
Australian. Where's
Australian.
Aussie.
Yeah, sorry. Our Aussie.
Our Aussie.
Aussie.
Our Aussie. Yep.
Alright, so it's hiking time with the gang. Gonna get our Aussie friend to take us out to a waterfall somewhere and drink some beers and... Shireen's having a problem, I don't know. What's up? Issues?
Huh?
Issues?
No, I'm telling Marcus to bring a beer.
Okay.
So we're heading on our way to the falls, or hopefully it's a falls,
Some sort of hike, we don't really know.
to swim.
Look, some cows.
Perfect. So, yeah.
I was near enough to mark it with the word. Yeah.
You shall not pass. Scouts Waterfall. There you go. That's where we're going.
You have to go first,
Ladies first?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
I kann das Breakfast in Chicago feed.
It's already been.
Easy hike.
Go fall.
Already drinking, so he's going to be stopping soon. No? When you have your whiskey.
Yeah, the Jameson.
When you have your Jameson. This way.
Are we lost?
Which way?
Up here.
Just trying to make a decision if I need.
Ah,
I'm going to go
Way.
my way.
okay.
This way.
Cross the water.
Across the water.
Yeah, there's knee.
I'm up here.
Alright. This way. It's a bit loose there.
Here, let me record from up here.
They're hard yakka, mate.
A different way. Huh? A different way.
This way would be better.
Yes.
You go.
You alright?
Probably better I carry stuff, that's for sure.
Yeah, always bloody put your foot down twice before you put your weight on it.
I'm
Do you want to hold
walking on
that,
this
mate?
plank right now.
Yeah, I mean, you're not very good at balancing or climbing, so
Okay.
I'll take that.
Concentrate on your feet, not your phone or your
You're
camera.
filming? Yeah. Oh, God. Too easy.
Oh, crackers. The tiny lobster things.
Prawnfish?
And
Where? Nice.
like things.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I
wrong.
just left.
Way.
He's saying he needs to look around to remember where we're going. I
What?
think we're lost.
There's a point. Peekaboo. The bird's saying peekaboo to us.
Yeah, it is. Yes! Let's go rock climbing.
I thought that was rock climbing.
No. That was just...
Aren't we climbing on rocks though?
You're just walking on them, you're not really climbing them. Hi.
Is this blady grass?
Cut you?
To the bone.
To the bone. Nice. God, I love Australia.
Don't touch the grass. Okay.
Even the grass can kill you.
Huh. I really pictured this like a really easy stroll. Just because he kept saying, oh, it's so easy. Now I'm a little concerned. Yeah, I got a busted knee. No problem.
When these ripen up, they turn into red berries really hard.
Yep.
And the Aboriginals make like a flour out of them and grind them up.
Cool.
Yeah,
Just
oh,
take
you
a
can
sec.
touch it, but yeah, just don't grab a hold of it because if you pull it through your fingers while you've got some pressure on it, it's kind of, yeah, it's like a paper cut.
Don't smack me in the face.
Cutty.
Hmm?
These ones look like they'll cut you.
Oh, fuck.
Spicy.
Should have cut you though. No.
So the waterfall's over there.
No waterfall.
It's dry. Oh boy.
There you are.
Yep. Perfect spot for a bear. Yep, don't go for
A dip yet.
no problem. Oh, what is this?
My friend?
Your new friend. Oh, that's your face. Hey, what's up?
This is Nickel.
Put him in the car. Looking good?
Jade,
Watermelon waterfall, eh?
Yeah, I love it, guys.
gorgeous.
Have a shower under that.
Yeah.
You'll wait here. You'll wait. Yeah.
At least turn them.
Wilson! It's too cold.
That's why I just jumped straight in.
It's so cold.
Cool, but it's not crazy. Straight in. Inside there.
I don't
Yeah,
want to
just
get my
jump in.
hair wet. Francie did my hair, so.
Run! Yeah?
Make sure you jump into the dark patches because the other ones are rocks.
Dark patches, because the other ones are rocks.
Yeah, that's a rocky here.
Wow, it's freezing.
Jump in, jump in.
You look careful with these cats.
You're in now. You guys have like minus 40 winters.
Yeah, I know. It's every day still she's still complaining.
It's like 30 degrees out here.
Also a little bit.
Oh,
Also a small one.
it's
Yeah.
just
Show him
nice.
the photo.
That's the waterfall. Right there. Beautiful.
Talk about it.
He's up
Jade,
provided
Jade,
again.
get 'em.
He's up providing again.
Oh yeah.
We can use that for Kieran.
Yeah, there you go, sure. No pressure, you better get us home.
I can't help it if you get top heavy though.
Thought you were gonna say, too easy.
Top heavy? What's
Easy,
that?
No worries.
What's top heavy?
Top heavy.
Your top is heavy and you
Gets
fall
heavier
over.
than the bottom and it wants to hit the ground first.
Ah, okay.
You good?
Grows out of what?
Yeah.
So this is a what?
Just a rock orchid.
Rock orchid.
But you know what orchids are, like they're
Yeah.
spectacular flowers.
So
They're just
in
unfortunately
the
they're
summer,
not going right now.
in the summer they should be there.
But might be already done. Like they got the stems there, look. Looks like they're already done. Bugger.
You guys are making your own way there?
Making our way downtown.
Making my way there.
Yeah.
We follow Philip.
That way's probably easier, but
Which way is easier?
No, which way's more fun? Which one's more fun?
no.
Sloth? Like a koala. Do you guys have sloths here? I didn't think so.
Kom op, waar niet geraapt, hè.
I think you made that harder than it needed to be. Don't break the alcohol.
A few scratches and bruises. Might be Australian.
No, but Canadian. Right, Jade? 2 years we'll be Australian?
Yeah, we'll take you into Canada.
Yeah.
Take them hiking up in the winter.
Yeah.
Barefoot? Yeah, fuck, you want to.
Yeah.
Ja. Oh, lik me aan het zak, Je mag me gemelden,
I follow Mark.
Okay, up there?
We follow you to the nest.
Yeah, no pressure. We don't know how, but they got stuck on the other side.
Cool. They're red. Mushrooms. Cool.
Eat one.
Don't taste this, Marcus.
Yep.
That's when you get top heavy.
This is the way where we
Yeah, remember?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Probably.
Limbo. Sure.
Definitely the right direction.
Oh.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Limbo is not you.
Even though you look really sexy doing it.
Yeah, woo! Full swing.
What do I
No.
do?
No, sure, you gotta go down, down, down. This one.
How we did it last time.
You're wearing
Yeah,
my
jump.
shoes.
Fuck off.
It's easier.
You stepped right here?
There.
Put my foot there.
Put your next foot next to the stick going up. Jade will help you from there.
I'll take your beer even here. Might be like an all hands on deck.
Left foot, right foot in front of Jade's, and then
Left foot
you can make this.
Up, up, up. Here.
Left foot on the
here.
Yeah, that really
sole.
shoddy one.
That's it. That's
Yeah,
it.
you give me your
Size
hand.
it up.
Give me your hand and your foot. Your hand too. Okay, you may be okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. That works.
Philip.
Yeah, fine on your feet. You just do it after.
Too easy. Okay, we all shouldn't be on here together.
Ballerina, ballerina.
Thank you.
Great test.
Are you trying to shake this?
Just in case there was an earthquake, you were up for it, you know?
I'm not up to that.
Yes, the many Australian earthquakes, right?
We did have one last year.
Oh yeah?
I'm waiting for you.
You're somewhere in Australia.
I tried having a sip.
Hit you back
Punked
up.
myself on a stick. It was the end.
That was the end. That was the stick that got you.
Okay. Yes.
Like sitting in cars and that.
We made it!
Alive!
Yeah.
He has no more beer.
Few close calls.
Yeah.
You know, it's all good.
We're alive.
Waterfall is beautiful.
Beer pong time.
I want to say hello to my mom and my family. Hi, Mom. Hi. Hi, my family. I love you. I miss you.
That will be hers.
Hi, Mom.
See, waterfall again.
Hi, Mom.
There was the group. I was just worried when I seen it.